Hello everyone, this is Matthew Breedlove with the O's Galloway Real Estate Group at Royal LePage Island Living, standing in front of 626 Windward Way. This is located in the oceanside community of Eaglecrest in beautiful Qualicum Beach, right next to where the golf course is, close to the ocean, nice inside, very private. You've got lots of room, very little landscaping, great place to retire, great place to call home. I think you're going to like it. Come on in.